So if you go to the developer tools in your browser and you look at the JWT token cookie, you'll see that the expires / max age is set to session. Well, the problem with this is that you're constantly going to be logged out of the app. So we want to set an expiration time. So I'm going to go to the code, and I want to set an expiration on the cookie. So to do that, I'm going to create a variable here called 1 day, and I'll do 24 times 60 times 60 times 1000. So this is in milliseconds. So there are 60 or 1,000. There are 1,000 milliseconds in 1 second, and there are 60 seconds in a minute. There are 60 minutes in an hour. There are 24 hours in a day. So this is number of milliseconds in 1 day. So if I wanted something like 2 weeks, then I believe I could do 1 day times 14. That'll be 2 weeks. Alright, so then I can add an expires here, and we can do a date.now minus or plus 2 weeks like this, and then we can do that on login. And then I think I also want to do the same thing with the sign up. So I'm just gonna add that bit of code there. Expires date.now plus 2 weeks. Okay, so let's go back to the browser, and let's log in again to see what happens. And you might see some stuff in the app, but that's because I created this video after completing the course. I'm just adding this section here so that it'll be more convenient for new students. So I'll submit it, and you can see that now there's an expiration here that is in the future. All right, see you in the next one.